Southern California's Bombay Beach is beautiful and toxic, abandoned and alive, and forgotten and rediscovered. Sitting on the Salton Sea, its history has been linked to the travails of the Salton Sea. Bombay Beach was established in the 1940s as part of a broader effort to develop the Salton Sea into a desert resort destination. In the 50s and 60s, it enjoyed a huge golden era, and real estate advertisements painted the Salton Sea as Palm Springs with water. When you visit, likely your first stop is the Sky Inn for lunch. It's a crazy, eclectic place, and I think it was actually visited by Anthony Bourdain. After lunch, your next stop is to head out on the beach and view the unusual art exhibition. Can you guess what this sculpture is? A different angle, and it's easy to tell what it is. The Salton Sea is a closed basin, meaning there's very little water flowing in and out. And over the years, pollution from pesticides and fertilizers basically killed everything. In the 1970s, all the fish basically died. As ecological conditions worsened, Bombay Beach's appeal plummeted and property values collapsed. But in the 2010s, Bombay Beach experienced an unexpected renaissance, not in economic terms, but more in cultural ones. Artists and creatives from Los Angeles and around the world began visiting the area, drawn by eerie beauty and that dystopian landscape and the potential for radical artistic expression. This culminated in the founding of the Bombay Beach Biennial in 2016, which was an annual invitation-only arts festival that transforms the town into a surreal open-air gallery. This cultural infusion has helped reframe Bombay Beach from a failed town into a space of post-apocalyptic creativity. It's like a modern-day frontier where art meets environmental crises. Despite the somewhat artistic renaissance, the fundamental challenges remain. The Salton Sea continues to shrink. In the meantime, Bombay Beach stands as kind of a metaphor and reality, a place abandoned by capital but reclaimed by imagination. If you do end up visiting Bombay Beach, make sure you stop by Salvation Mountain. That's another spot that I highlight in a different video. What can I say about Bombay Beach other than it's part of the eerie beauty of the Salton Sea? Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.